Cell Content by JOHNMER and EARL. Objectives: to identify what cell and cell theory, to identify what is unicellular and multicellular organisms, to identify the parts and functions of plant and animal cell. What is cell? The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of living organisms. Cells are tiny, self-contained units that carry out the processes required for an organism to live, grow, and reproduce. Cell theory. It is a collection of ideas and conclusions from many different scientists over time that describe cells and how cells operate. All known living things are made up of one or more cells. All living cells arise from pre-existing cells by division. Cell is the basic unit of structure in all living organisms. Unicellular organisms. It is made up of only one cell that carries out all of the functions needed by the organism. For example, is the euglena, the paramecium, and yeast. Multicellular organisms. It is an organism that consists of more than one cell, in contrast to a unicellular organism. For example, plants, animals, and fungus. Animal cell and plant cell. This picture is an example of plant and animal cell. Structure of cell. Studying the structure of the cell is important because it helps us understand the basic building blocks of living things. Studying cell structure provides the essential knowledge needed to comprehend life, from the smallest organisms to more complex ones, and it has practical applications in fields ranging from medicine to agriculture. Plasma membrane nucleus, cytoplasm. Cytoplasm has cytosol and cell organelles under the cell organelles are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi, body, lysosomes, vacuoles, mitochondria, plastids, centrosome, and cytoskeleton. Cell membrane. It forms a barrier around the cell, separating the cell's internal environment from the external surroundings, regulates the entry and exit of substances. Cell wall. The cell wall provides strength and rigidity to the cell, acting like a sturdy outer layer that maintains the cell's shape and prevents it from collapsing. It serves as a protective barrier, shielding the cell from external pressures and potential damage. Nucleus L. It regulates gene expression, determining which genes are activated or deactivated in response to cellular needs. Through its control of gene expression, the nucleus influences the development and specialization of cells, contributing to the diversity of cell types in multicellular organisms. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm provides structural support to the cell, helping to maintain its shape and integrity. The cytoplasm facilitates the movement of organelles and molecules within the cell, allowing for essential cellular processes. Endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum functions as a cellular highway and a site for the synthesis and processing of proteins and lipids. Golgi body ensures that cellular products, especially proteins, are properly modified, sorted, and shipped to their designated locations within or outside the cell. Lysosomes. Lysosomes help maintain cellular health by removing and recycling waste materials, contributing to the overall cleanliness and functionality of the cell. Vacuoles store food particles in amoeba cells. Store various substances, including waste products. Mitochondria. Mitochondria act as the powerhouses of the cell. It provides the energy needed for various cellular activities and functions. Centrosome forms spindle fibers, which help in the movement of chromosomes during cell division. Cytoskeleton determines the shape of the cell responsible for cellular movements. Plastids. They are responsible for activities related to making and storing food. Chromoplasts. They are responsible for different colors found in leaves, fruits, flowers, and vegetables. Chloroplasts convert light energy into chemical energy in the form of food. Provide green color to leaves, stems, and vegetables. Leucoplasts. They are found in storage organs, such as fruits, tubers, and seeds. Plastid types. Prokaryotic cells. Nucleus is undeveloped. Only one chromosome is present. Membrane-bound organelles are absent and examples: bacteria and blue-green algae. Eukaryotic cells. Nucleus is L-developed. More than one chromosome are present. Membrane-bound organelles are present examples. All other organisms. Animal cell. Generally small in size, cell wall is absent. Plastids are absent. Vacuoles are smaller in size and less in number. Centrioles are present. Plant cell generally large in size. Cell wall is present. Plastids are present. Vacuoles are larger in size and more in number. Centrioles are absent. Thank you.